For the most times, after registering your domain name and getting hosting and installing WordPress, you don't want people to see what you are working on in the background, like trying to fix your pages, figuring out the menus, the content, and all this stuff. Now, the good thing is that Spectra has an inbuilt feature that enables you to have the coming soon mode or the maintenance mode activated on your WordPress website without necessarily having to install another plugin. And surprisingly, most of the people are using Spectra and they don't know that they have this inbuilt feature that they can just simply activate with one click and they are good to go without having to install an extra plugin. What you see right over here is my coming soon page, which I created in WordPress, then I enabled it using Spectra. So what I'm saying here is that we are creating something awesome. And here you can simply add any kind of information, images, buttons, or even a sign up form or a contact form if people want to be notified once your website is finally live. Now, you don't have to have the exact design like this. You can be creative with how you want to display information. But now let me show you in the back end how you can enable such a page on your WordPress website. It doesn't have any menu, no footer, no button, no nothing. Just to let your website visitors know that you are on to cooking something really awesome. So as you can see here, I am inside my WordPress dashboard. And as you can see here, I have the appearance themes, Astra theme, and then under the plugins area, I have the Spectra plugin. You don't need to have the Spectra Pro plugin in this case. Once you have Spectra installed, come over here to Spectra and come straight to settings. And under settings, you'll go straight here to the site visibility. And you see we have what they call the enable coming soon mode and the enable maintenance mode. Now, the two different modes send a different signal to the search engine. If your website is under construction and you're trying to figure out things, trying to put together the pages, the content, it is better that you enable the coming soon because that will tell the search engine that this website is currently under construction. Now, the other mode, which is the maintenance mode right over here, is best to activate if you're trying to fix a few things on the site. For example, the menu was breaking, and then you enable the maintenance mode so that you can fix the menu within just a few hours. It is best that you only enable this feature if the changes you're going to make will just take a few to a couple of hours. Now, once you activate any of these, the thing is you cannot have the other also activated. You can only have one. And you can still use the same page or the same landing page to display at the front end when someone visits your website. Here we have our coming soon page. And when I come over here to the address bar and I change this address link to, let me say, contact page, because we actually have a contact page on this website, and I enter, still the website visitor will not be able to go to the contact page because why? We have the coming soon mode enabled. They will not be able to access any other page on your website apart from being redirected back to this coming soon page. It also works the same way on the maintenance mode. Once you have this page selected, all your website visitors will be redirected to that page that you selected. Now back into our site visibility section. The question is, how do I come up with what to show on the front end? In this case, you have the coming soon page selected. How do you come up with that? So for now, I'm going to enable back the coming soon mode, and I'll select my coming soon page, which is a page that you create on your WordPress website. And this is how my coming soon page looks like. All I did was to give it a name, and I have this huge container here. Then I entered my content, just like any other page that you create, added an image, come down here to layout, disable the stretch, and I'm also going to change the height. So I'll make the viewport height just to be 80% in this case. And that's how it would look like on a tablet device. Let's go to the mobile. The mobile looks clean, so I don't have to do anything here. And then I save changes, and let me go back to the desktop preview. You'll see that everything still looks nice and neat. And that's how you create the page that you want to show on the front end of your website when you have the coming soon mode enabled, or simply you have the maintenance mode enabled. And as you can see here in the pages section, you have that page listed. You can give it any name. It doesn't have to be coming soon or maintenance mode. And then that's all. Once you come here to Spectra, you come to settings, you come to site visibility, just make sure that you select that page and automatically it will be activated on your WordPress website. And then the people who come to visit your WordPress website will see nothing else apart from that page. I hope this helps and that it clears up a couple of things. You don't have to install new plugins. You don't have to have any special abilities on how to fix this or configure it. It's just simple and straight out of the box. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Hamza. Like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Have a good time and goodbye.